Welcome to Study Loop.
Hi, in this recording, we're going to go over some of the two fundamental laws of chemistry or thermodynamics. So, the first law of thermodynamics is also known as the law of conservation of energy, which I'm going to put as E. What this law states is that the total energy in the universe, right, the total energy cannot change. So therefore, if you have a chemical reaction where this square is converted into a circle, the first law states that the energy in the square has to be equal to, or the energy on this side of the reaction has to be equal to the energy on this side of the reaction. However, it's not simply, but however, that does not mean that the energy within the square is equal to the energy in the circle. The reason why this cannot be true is because of the second law of thermodynamics, which states that whenever energy is transferred, it must increase the entropy, which is also known as disorder or randomness in the universe or within the system. What this means practically is that whenever energy is transferred as it is here, some of that energy has to be lost as heat. Therefore, when we look at how much energy can be transferred from the square to the circle, it's not the energy of the square which it can be transferred to the circle, but the energy of the square minus some amount of heat energy, which will be lost because of the second law of thermodynamics, which determines how much energy can actually be transferred into the circle.